So I just finished up wiring this Arduino project that I made, and what I wanted to do was control both of these lights on my desk with a relay and the ability to break a laser beam above my head back in the bed here in order to control the lights. So what I have there is a laser diode running at 3.3 volts right now. I think it's rated for 5, but 3.3 shouldn't hurt it too much. And then it sends a beam straight across over top of our beds to this right over here, which is a photoresistor, which I made a housing for. And then the photoresistor senses when the light is going on, and then when I break the beam, like so, I'll demonstrate it really quick, it turns off the lights over here. So it senses when there's no light coming in, which is the break, and then it toggles it. So just break it back and forth here. And then if I hold my hand here, right now I have a bug where it just turns on and off again. But yeah, so that's what I've got right now. I'll show you a bit of the code for it and some of the wiring as well. But it took me about 5 or so hours to get it all figured out and just lay everything out, like hardware-wise. But I've got my relay back here, and the relay's plugged into an extension cord, which both of the lights are plugged into, and it only runs about 0.7 or so milliamps, which is not much, like 0.07 milliamps. And then I've got the relay coming into the Arduino board here with different outputs to a breadboard, and I've got all my input and output wiring running like on the floor right now, which is not very clean, but under the bed there to go to the laser, and then under the rug down here under my bed back there to go to the photoresistor. And then I've got the software here, which I'll... Whoops, I just unplugged something. Okay, well now we're playing around in the dark here. Let's see here. What did I do wrong? There we go, okay. So, the software here is pretty basic and simple. I wrote it in like 10 minutes or so, where it just controls the light output right there at pin 9, which toggles on and off the relay. And right now I have a bug where, like I demonstrated earlier, where it just toggles back and forth if you hold your hand there for too long. So I've got to program out a delay, and then see what I can do with that. But yeah, it's just a simple code, simple a simple if statement here that toggles whether or not I have the light currently on or currently off. And then it does the appropriate action, either turning on the lights or turning off the lights, which is pretty helpful. So yeah, this is the code I had right now, and like I said, it didn't take me long. Really fun project. I've always wanted something like this, so to be just super lazy and laying in bed and just reach up and turn off the lights. But now I have it, so probably gonna take all this apart here and redo some wiring, and then we'll probably pin it up right down here next to the power outlet so I can easily manage it with cables and for maintenance and stuff like that. So that's what I got right now, and we'll see if any improvements come in the future.